today's coronavirus numbers are just now coming into our newsroom. A drop in cases from yesterday, but still the number's high. 3,700 new cases were added today. A big concern is the number of deaths. We're at 43. None of them are from a check of old death certificates. And as cases rise, the Kent County Health Department says thousands of tests are being done every day.
News 8's John Dommel gives us an update on some of the local numbers and how it's affecting wait times for testing.
The daily case counts are showing that the state of Michigan has to take COVID-19 more seriously, with the Kent County Health Department saying that 1 out of every 10 people that's being tested is testing positive.
We're averaging over 400 cases every single day, and it's really picked up over the past 7 days. I think we've had 15 deaths in individuals who were tested positive for COVID over the past 7 days.
The current figures show Kent County having more than 17,000 total cases and 195 deaths, while Kalamazoo County has nearly 6,000 cases and 128 deaths.
So I think people got a little lax in terms of thinking that this is not a big deal. But now we're seeing really the true impact of this. And, when we talk about 15 deaths over the past 7 days, more hospitalizations, more cases in our older populations, that's really kind of returning to where we were back in April.
Increased cases have led to more testing, over 4,000 a day in Kent County over the last week, and at least 15 related deaths in that same period of time.
We do know that the wait times to get into the testing sites are higher. Some of the sites that we've heard, people are waiting up to 4 hours just to get that test.
The wait times to get tested have generally gone up, but the wait times for results have not been affected. And those 25 to 34 years old have the highest infection rate in the county. So whether you're symptomatic or not, it's important to stay away from others.
People who are testing who don't have any symptoms at all, I think the positivity rate in those individuals is actually going up as well. So people could be out there, not feeling sick, not feeling, poorly, and potentially, transmitting the virus.
As we trend in the wrong direction, the only way to fix it is to be more responsible, even if it means having to wait a little longer.
Just make sure you're not going anywhere. I think that's one thing that we want to stress is that if you're symptomatic and you have a pending test result coming back, if you're asymptomatic and you have a pending test result, you really should isolate yourself until you get those results back.
The health department says its best advice is to stay home if you're feeling sick, stay away from large gatherings, and to continue wearing your mask. And if you need help locating a testing facility like this one here at Garfield Park, you can do so by checking out this story at woodtv.com. Reporting in Grand Rapids, John Dommel, News 8.